What's crackin' Eggheads? This is Ashleigh Bonner, founder of the indie educational video game studio, Electric Egghead, and I am in the fourth month of Thomas Brush's Start a Game Studio in 12 Months challenge, where you learn code. I'm learning the basics of C++, and this is day 28. Thomas Brush recommends 2 to 3 hours, but I'm just going to do a short 20-minute video, and I will do the other hour and 40 minutes later. If you want to check out the hashtag 12 months game studio group, you can, and you can also go to the Discord where there is a lively bunch of devs waiting for you to come and join. Alright, so I'm going to continue on from yesterday. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Do not have to, but it will be appreciated. Alright, let's get started. Okay. Alright, so from yesterday, I'm just continuing on. I started the for loop that will loop for my exponent. It will loop until I get to the exponent number, the power num, the power num, and then it will stop looping. Alright, so I'm going to just continue from there. If you have any questions or comments, again, put it in the comment section below. Follow your dreams. Because, I don't know, why else are you here other than to contribute your difference? So, yeah, cool. Alright, so, where's my drink? Right here. I did get a new mug from the store. Morning hug in a mug. So I don't have tea today, actually. This is just water. But I've been needing to add more water to my diet anyway, so I am doing that. Okay. Let's keep going. Well, one more thing. After I finish this 20-minute video, I'm gonna upload my code to my GitHub. Where I store all my code online. They have a free account and they have a pro account where you can get more actions. I haven't really used actions. I do have a free account right now. So yes, I'm gonna upload it for January 28th, 2020. I have code for all of these days that you see here, and so today is the day where I'm gonna upload this code. So I'm going to go back to Visual Studio 2019. It's freaking amazing. I'm learning how to use it, and it's just primo awesome. Alright, so, and there will be timestamps in the description, so you can just skip to things you actually want to learn. In case you don't want to sit and watch a 2-hour video. Alright, so, power number 3, okay. All right. So I'm watching Mike on my phone. Alright, so in Mike Dane's code, so I'm watching Mike Dane's code, who is the founder of Giraffe Academy. I'm using boss age, but he actually uses base num. But I'm using boss age because I already have it defined in my previous code. So it's just going to fit in with my previous code, but he actually uses base num to do this exponent function. Okay. All right. So, okay. So, all right. So, Mike Dane says this is the um, basic, um, what is it? It's the basic thing that we need to write for this. So, and he says this is going to work because the result is going to be multiplied by the boss age, or if you're following along specifically with him, by the base num. Okay? So let's just go with the base num, which is what he does. So he says that the result is going to be the result. Sorry, I had to put this behind the semicolon, and I'm going to just use this. So what he actually says is this is what Mike Dane's what he actually uses in the tutorial. So he says this is the result is the result starts at 1. So this is result equals 1 times the base num. And then when you go around again, the result equals the result times by the base num squared, and then times by the base num cubed, times by the base num quadrupled to the fourth power. To the fourth power. So this simple code right here is gonna constantly do an exponent. All right. So, but I'm gonna put mine back where it is and continue on. Boss age. Okay, so mine is actually do the result times the boss age, and then it's gonna power it. I think. Yes, because I replaced my base num with the boss's age. Alright, so let's continue on. Okay, so let me go where I called this function in my main. Alright, so rather than put in specific numbers like 2 and 3, which will power num to give me 8, which will give me 8, I'm going to take in the two numbers that I want to do. So I'm going to run mine, and it's going to ask me for these numbers, and then I'm going to put these numbers in. So let me just F5 to start with debugging and see what happens. I'm going to have to go through a little bit of my code ahead of time because I did put this later, but that's all right. Possible loss of data. Oh no. I'm getting error messages already. Let's see if this runs at all. If it builds. I may get a failure message. Alright, so I've got my blue output screen, which I changed the color, which you can do in Visual Studio by just right-clicking the top part and push properties. And you can do all that stuff. Cancel. Okay, so yes, we did get something. So let's just name this man. Let's name him Dustin Cleaver. Alright, and that's not the name. How old is his name, bro? Let's just say 8. Doesn't really matter. This part is not the part that I'm even trying to do. Alright, let's not play the word game right now. What is his boss's age? Let's just give her a small age, like 2, to make sure the power is working properly. So I'm going to just say that she's 2. And then I'm going to say his boss's cube age is 8. Yay for her. Dustin Cleaver's boss also wants to know her age when you use exponents. We have her age. Enter the power number. So let's do a to the 4th power, which would be 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. Alright, so the number should output 16. First number calculator, doesn't really matter. 9, okay. Okay, I know the answer to 31. Okay, oh, sorry, I forgot something. I never, I never outed. I never printed the answer. Alright, so just a minute, let me slow down. Okay, I may need to actually print the answer. Okay, so let me see out here. See out makes less of something, so I use the less than. Oops, I was writing semicolon. Then I want to actually print. This is in the wrong spot. Okay. See out. Okay. No, here we go. I want to output this answer. Okay. So then right here it will print the actual answer. See out. His bosses. Let's just put exponent age or something. I don't know. Is whatever. Alright, so then I want to do period and inline. Alright. An inline is just where you have a new line. Where it just essentially just goes to the next line. Okay, so let's do this again where I actually printed it. Might want to print it so I can see the answer. Alright, so F5. OMG, really? Okay. So let's just name him Dustin Cleaver. Oh, what is his number? 8. How is it? Must be crazy friend. 98. Do you want to play the word game? Not today. His boss's age. Let's just have his age. Boss be 2 years old, which is actually possible. Like, you know, royalty and things like that. Into the power number. Let's do 4. And we should get his boss's exponent age is 16. So yeah, this is working properly. And then we're just gonna close this because I don't really want to do anything more of it for right now. So, cool. This works. Alright. Yes. That's good. It's pretty lovely. Alright. Cool. Alright, let's keep going. What else can we learn today? Again, put any comments in the description if you want anything explained, if you have any questions or any comments. Keep it friendly, please, because we may have, you know, there may be children watching or just people who really, you know, want things, you know, good. No need for any, you know, YouTube wars or anything. It's not that big of a deal, y'all. Alright, so, cool. Okay, so with that being done, where is it? Here it is. His boss is exponent age. Exponent age. I made that up. That's not quite how I want it, but it's just to make it clearer for in the future what we're talking about here. Yes, so that is good, and it only took 3 lines, 331 to 333. All right, so with that done, I'm going to end this video. I don't think it's 20 minutes. That's okay. I'm just gonna keep it clear because next I'm gonna be learning, and you are gonna be learning, or at least somewhat learning, 2D arrays and nested loops. I actually do have some nested loops already, but I'm gonna do some more. All right, so you're amazing, fantastic. It is 2020, and I'll hit it up until February. Of course, as you can see, it's already February, but this is like an older video, and then I'm just recording it later to get caught back up. Anyway, so yes, leave some comments or questions or anything about whether you're a game developer, or you're an application developer, or you're just beginning, or if you have any suggestions for beginners like me on how to do things better, make better documentation, make better code, or maybe I'm doing something wrong. Let me know, help me out. Then you can help other people out. Okay, anyway, you are awesome. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you want notifications. Alright. Again, my name is Ashleigh, and I'm the founder of Electric Egghead. Later. Oh, wait. Actually, before I do later, let me upload the code. So I'm just going to copy it and put it into my GitHub. I kind of like to show this part in the video, so people can just know that it's good to put your code somewhere where you can access it. And GitHub is a really great place. So I'm just gonna put finished exponent func, and then I always put working code right now the code actually works, or either if this code is gonna need some actual fixes. Okay, so I'm just gonna commit the changes, and then I will do my later.